Welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. We have previously discussed that Cabinet approved 7 major schemes for improving farmers' lives and livelihood with a total outlay of 14,000 crore approximately. And today, we are going to continue the schemes which we have not covered. Out of these 7 schemes, we have already discussed 3 schemes, and they were Digital Agricultural Mission, Crop Science for Food and Nutritional Security, Strengthening Agricultural Education, Management and Social Sciences. Now we will be discussing the remaining 4 schemes. Sustainable Livestock, Health and Production. With a total outlay of Rs 1,702 crores, the decision aims to increase farmers' income from livestock and dairy. It comprises the following: animal health management and veterinary education, dairy production and technology development, animal genetic resource management, production and improvement, animal nutrition and small ruminant production and development. As we all know that India is a place where we get a lot of livestock, and India is the highest producers currently in livestock. And such kind of sustainable move and such kind of budget towards the sustainable development of livestock's health in India is the needed step. Then comes sustainable development of horticulture with a total outlay of Rs 1,129 crore. The measure is aimed at increasing farmers' income from horticulture plants. It comprises the following: tropical, subtropical and temperate horticulture crops, roots, tuber, bulbous and arid crops, vegetables, floriculture and mushroom crops, plantations, spice, medicinal and aromatic plants. The horticulture condition in India is again a very good picture because we have a diversity of plants and vegetables found in India. As we all know that right from tropical to subtropical and temperate crops are grown in India. Our Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats along with the Northeastern region is also very famous for good biodiversity. Third scheme is Strengthening of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. With an outlay of Rs 1,202 crores, Krishi Vigyan Kendra is an integral part of the National Agriculture Research System. The mandate of Krishi Vigyan Kendra is technology assessment and demonstration for its application and capacity development. The Krishi Vigyan Kendra also produce quality technological products like seeds, planting materials, bioagents, livestock and make it available for farmers. So if India is aiming for zero fertilizer and organic farming, then strengthening of Krishi Vigyan Kendra is a very good step. And then having seeds, our own seed bank and planting material and bioagents is another way of making us towards organic farming. Natural resource management. With an outlay of 1,115 crores, it deals with the management of resources like coal, water, soil, land, animals, trees, etc. It means taking care of the biodiversity of the environment and nature. We all know that if we preserve the resources and if we correctly manage the resources, then a lot can be done with the use of resources present in India. That's all. At last, I want to conclude by saying that investment in agriculture are the best way to avoid hunger and poverty, and millions of lives can be saved in such manner. That's all for today. Stay tuned with us.